Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English literature class and we have started with our revision work from yesterday, and I hope you all have completed your yesterday's revision work in your revision notebooks and you have started learning also. Now children, as I have explained you yesterday also, that these revisions which we are going to do in the month of February, these revisions will be very important for you all, because in these revision exercises we will be covering our syllabus which will be coming in our final term examinations. Okay, so I hope you all have got the syllabus. So according to that syllabus you will see whatever the chapters, whatever the topics are coming in your final term, we will be doing those in these revision exercises. Okay, so make sure that you listen and you watch all these revision videos very carefully. And one more thing children, start learning and start preparing for your revision test also, because from 15th of February we are going to take revision test of every subject. So make sure that you complete all your revision work and you do your learning work also. Is that clear? So I hope yesterday I have given you 2 chapters in English literature as revision number 1. That in that I have covered 2 chapters. That was chapter number 9, I Wish I Could Dance, and chapter number 10, The Lion and the Mouse. So I hope you all have completed your exercises in your revision notebooks and you also have completed your learning work, or you have started your learning work, but make sure that you learn all the revision exercise which I have given. And children, one more thing, that in the last revision I have not given make sentences, true false, or who said the following. So these are very small exercises and these exercises you can learn on your own also. So that's why I have not given it in the revision work. But don't think that these will not come. All the chapter, मतलब जो chapter में आपका सारा काम हुआ है, सब सारी exercises आएंगी. बट जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, जो थोड़ा हार्ड होता है आपको याद करने के लिए, वो हम रिविजन में आपको दे रहे हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल द exercises, but in question answers and word meanings and kind of fill in the blanks, these are some exercises which you all are not able to learn, so I have given this in revisions. Okay, so starting with our today's work children, our today's first exercise is on chapter number 11, that is Bheem and the Demon. This is the last chapter that will be coming in our final exam. So the first exercise, A part, is of word meanings. First word, listen to it carefully, evil. And what is the meaning of evil? Bad, bura. Okay. Now second word is demons. So what is the meaning of demons? Scary monsters. Okay. Then the third is cunning. Meaning is clever at tricking others. दूसरों को धोखा देना. Then fourth is weapons. What is the meaning of weapons? Weapons are special tools which are used in war. लड़ाई के टाइम पे जो भी special tools use किए जाते हैं, those tools are known as weapons. Okay. Coming to the last fifth part, that is blow, and the meaning of blow is a hard hit with the hand. Okay. किसी को बहुत जोर से अपने हाथ से मारना, तो that is known as a blow. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood these word meanings. Once again I am repeating. First is evil, meaning is bad. Second is demons, meaning is scary monsters. Third is cunning, meaning is clever at tricking others. Fourth is weapons, meaning is special tools used in war. And the last one is blow, and the meaning is a hard hit with the hand. So children, I hope you all have understood these exercises. I hope you all have understood these word meanings. Now moving towards our next exercise. Now children, coming to the next exercise, that is B part of question and answers. Now children, in your notebooks, before, when I have started this chapter, when I have given this chapter as your classwork, as your class, so in that chapter children, I have given you fill in the blanks also. So there are only 4 fill in the blanks in this chapter, so I am not giving it in revision work because they are very easy and you can learn all the 4. Okay, so I have left that exercise in the revision work, but don't think that you don't have to learn. You have to learn fill in the blanks also. So make sure that you learn it. from your notebooks. Okay, now second exercise we are going to do on question and answers. So there are 3 question answers which are main question answers of this topic. So first question, listen to it very carefully children. What were the names of 5 Pandav princes? 5 Pandav princes jo the unke kya names the, you have to mention. Now again I am telling you in this question children that you have to remember all the names in the sequence. Okay, सबसे बड़ा उससे छोटा, then in the order of descending order. Okay, first you will write the name of the eldest prince, then उससे छोटा, then उससे छोटा, then उससे छोटा, and सबसे छोटा भाई. Okay, so you have to write according to their age. So first prince, Pandav prince was Yudhishthir, and you have to also learn the spellings, correct spellings, otherwise you will get less marks. Okay, so Udhishthira is Yudhishthir. Then second was Bheem, Bheema, Bheem. Third was Arjun, Arjuna, Arjun. Then fourth was Nakul, Nakula, Nakul. And the last one, fifth one was Sahadev, Sehdeva, Sahadev. Is that clear? So there were 5 Pandav princes and their names were Yudhishthir, Bheem, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev. Is that clear children? Now moving towards our next question. Question number 2. Who was Jatasur? अब जटासुर कौन था? So the answer is Jatasur was an evil demon. जटासुर एक बहुत ही बुरा demon था, राक्षस था. Okay. Then coming to the third last question, why did Jatasur wanted to kill Bheem and other Pandav princes? Okay, so the answer is Jatasur wanted to kill Bheem and other Pandav princes because Bheem killed many demons in the forest. क्योंकि भीम ने बहुत सारे डेमन्स को फॉरेस्ट में बहुत सारे जो राक्षस थे उनको मारा था. So that's why Jatasur wanted to take revenge from Bheem. So he wanted to kill Bheem as well as his other brothers also. Okay, so I hope all these 3 question answers are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating children, listen to it carefully. Question number 1, what were the names of 5 Pandav princes? Answer is Yudhishthir, Bheem, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev. Question number 2, who was Jatasur? Answer is Jatasur was an evil demon. Third question, why did Jatasur wanted to kill Bheem and other Pandav princes? Answer is Jatasur wanted to kill Bheem and other Pandav princes because Bheem killed many demons in the forest. So children, I hope you all have understood this topic, this chapter. Very easy, and many times I have explained you these exercises, so I hope you all have learnt also, and those who have not learnt, please children start learning so that you will be able to give your examinations very nicely. Okay, but before your exams from 15th of February you will be getting your revision test, so we have to do it very nicely, and you all have to do your revision test very nicely because the marks which you will obtain in that revision test, they will be added in your final term examinations. Is that clear children? So till my next video, tomorrow we will be doing English language work, revision work. So till tomorrow I want you all to complete this work by today itself. Then from tomorrow we will be starting with a new topic. Then children, again I'm telling you all that these revision videos are very important for you all, so you have to watch all these videos very carefully. You have to understand from here and then you will learn from your notebooks. Is that clear? So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.